Equity markets are unpredictable and short-term fluctuations are inevitable. Thinking that you can time the market by buying when it is down and selling when it is high is an unreliable strategy and can result in missed growth. Such investors often let their emotions take over and end up trend setting and panic reading. So invest with a proper plan based on your cash flows, life stages and goals. Investments are for everyone. Some invest to protect their wealth, many others invest to create wealth. You can start small and benefit from the power of compounding, stepping up investments gradually and creating substantial wealth. For example, if you invest even 5,000 monthly at a 14% CAGR, you can accumulate about 30 lakhs in 15 years. Insurance and investments are different financial instruments with different purposes. Investment is to build wealth and insurance is meant to cover risk and should be bought only for that. Most endowment products like pension plans, retirement plans, etc. neither cover risk adequately nor give optimal returns. They are also very high in cost compared to other investment products. It is easy to fall into the recommendation trap, but the historical CAGR is more crucial. Even an investor like Warren Buffett with a 19% CAGR focuses on quality investments, staying informed and staying invested for the long term. Don't invest based on FOMO, but rather set goals, make informed decisions and stay resilient in the long term. Remember, the stock market is cyclical. A fund that gave the best return over the last years has a very high probability of underperforming in the future. The best time to start investing was yesterday and the second best is today. The earlier you start investing, the more time you have to achieve your goals. Even if you are starting at a late age, following a systematic and disciplined approach can make you a successful investor. If you're unsure, you can always consult a financial expert to customize investments for you.